This is an absolutely awesome question. Let's get into it. I help people build simple online businesses primarily through content and communities. Now, I will break down what that actually looks like and what that actually means on a deeper level. And I will give you one of the most obscure examples that I can think of. So let's say that I'm interested in potentially sourdough bread. I've been doing all the starters, I've been doing all the stuff, and I've been making all this bread, and it's become quite a hobby of mine. So then we got pillar number one. Okay, that's potentially the content pillar. We got cooking topics, sourdough content, you content. We're building this audience of people that have a slight interest in a similar thing that you create content about. You start creating potential content about sourdough, starters, tools in the kitchen, upkeep, all the different stuff related to sourdough. So what happens naturally is you start building an audience of people that are potentially interested in either making sourdough, eating sourdough, and like just everything bread enthusiast, right? Then we come to the point of actually monetizing an audience that you're building. Now there's lots of different ways that you can actually start monetizing an audience that you have, but realistically you need to build the audience. That's why you're creating content. That's why people create content, is to build an audience. That's the actual valuable thing that you're getting from content creation, is the audience. And following the theme of, say, sourdough bread content, let's look at a bunch of different ways that we could potentially monetize. You got anything that you're using in the kitchen you could promote as an affiliate. If you're using a tool set, a basket, a light, etc., you can literally just promote it from Amazon's affiliate program and you would get paid a percentage every time somebody buys that product from Amazon. Number two, we launch a cookbook, maybe a digital cookbook. We charge $50 for it, and we include all of the different recipes that we're doing in our content in one consolidated place, and we update it in real time, because that's the beautiful thing of the internet. Your audience members get lifetime access to this awesome sourdough cookbook. You could also sell starters, you could sell actual loaves of bread, physical stuff, right? Or another option would be like launching a low-ticket, semi-low-ticket membership for this sourdough community. You're basically building a community of people that are all interested in making, producing, eating, sharing sourdough bread, and you share your recipes, you share the ins and outs and everything that you're actually doing with this bread. And let's say you charge $19 a month for this community, and you potentially add 20 people a month to this community for the next 12 months, and you've built a $60,000 a year income stream, literally talking about bread. Now, if you want the full breakdown of how I turned an idea into about $2,000 profit in less than 24 hours utilizing a simple Google document, you jump into the free community over here. You can actually just watch me create this actual document in real time, which is already making sales. Or if you hit the calendar section up top, you could actually just come hang out with us this Friday. We're hosting a live event, doing an Ask Us Anything, breaking it all down in real time. Have a kick-ass Monday.